Hair loss can be caused by many things including excessive physical and emotional stress, a hormonal imbalance, nutritional deficiency, pollution, allergies, use of bad hair care products, and heredity. Statistics and logistics aside, hair is an important asset to have. It serves as a source of heat insulation when in cold environments and even helps cool the body when sweat evaporates from the hair. Hair also protects our heads from the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Needless to say, hair plays an important role in how we look, feel, and even our overall health. This is why we've brought you 4 proven home remedies to thicken that meaningful mane of yours. Eggs. Your hair needs protein because it is an essential building block for all cells in the body. Eggs contain loads of it. In fact, one large egg contains 6 grams of protein. Eggs also contain omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, vitamin A and C that all strengthen the hair follicles. This is why several hair professionals recommend an egg treatment 1 to 2 times per week. To do this, beat 1 to 2 eggs and apply the beaten eggs to wet hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it out with warm water. Olive oil. Olive oil has long been used as hair care. In fact, researchers have found that it has had many ancient uses, including to cure diseases and to make the skin and hair appear healthier. These historical figures may have been onto something, as the primary chemical elements contained in olive oil are oleic acid, palmitic acid, and squalene, which are all emollients that soften things. While research is scarce on the exact effectiveness of olive oil, specifically some research on coconut oil show that oils like these can have positive moisturizing effects on the hair. This is probably why there are many hair care products on the market that contain olive oil and other like oils to use. Simply massage hair and scalp with warm olive oil and leave in for 30 to 40 minutes. Wash out with mild shampoo to get out residual greasiness. You can also use it overnight and shampoo next morning. Avocado. Much like eggs, avocados contain vitamins C, E, K, and B6, protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It is also a wonderful vegan alternative to eggs. The fat within the avocado also serves as an oily substance that can restore lost oils while strengthening the hair. A great recipe for an avocado hair treatment is mixing 1 avocado, 1 banana, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Massage on scalp and leave for 30 minutes. Rinse with a mild shampoo, and do this treatment once a week. Castor oil. Castor oil comes from the castor plant. Actually, it comes from the seeds that the plant produces. The seed, and therefore the oil, is rich in ricinoleic acid. This is a type of fatty acid that reduces inflammation. It is this benefit of the oil that, when applied to the scalp, improves the health of the hair follicles, promoting hair growth and protecting against hair loss. Further benefits are the oil properties themselves that also soften the hair and give it a healthy shine. To use, simply massage your scalp in circular motions, then comb it through your hair, then cover it with a towel for 30 minutes. Rinse it with a mild shampoo and repeat once a week.